You're standing outside, no umbrella, rain pouring down, your door is 100 meters away. Everyone thinks there are only two options, run or walk. Scientists who actually tested this found something nobody talks about: the smartest move isn't picking one. It's combining both. Running gets you through the rain faster so you stay drier. Simple, right? Not quite. In 1987, a physicist actually ran the math. In 1995, two mathematicians tested it further. And in 2011, an Italian research team put real people in real rain and weighed their clothes before and after. What they found flips the whole question. Picture your body like a windshield moving through a swarm of insects. Standing still, rain only hits you from above. But the second you move, your front becomes a target too. You're slicing into rain falling ahead of you. So two things happen at once. Moving faster means less time exposed from above, that's good. But it also means more rain hitting your front per second, that's bad. This is why just sprint as hard as you can isn't always the winning move. Researchers found the real ideal strategy is dynamic. Push hard when wind is at your back or rain is heaviest, but ease off slightly when running straight into strong gusts carrying diagonal rain. Because in those moments, powering through actually increases how much water your front collects per second. So the best strategy was never run or walk. It's reading the wind and blending both in real time. Three things quietly change the answer. Wind direction, behind you sprint, into your face ease up during gusts. Body shape, taller, broader people catch more rain per second while moving, so the ideal mix isn't identical for everyone. Rain density in light drizzle, walking versus running barely matters. In a downpour, speed matters a lot. Every study agrees on one thing: total time exposed matters more than which gate you use. Quick challenge: two people, same rain, same wind. One tilts their umbrella backward instead of straight up. Who stays drier? Think about the windshield effect. If wind blows rain forward into their path, tilting backward actually exposes more of the body. The umbrella stops blocking the diagonal rain. Tilting forward keeps you drier. Small move, big difference. So next time it's pouring, wind at your back, run the whole way. Wind in your face, ease off during gusts, then push again. Light drizzle, don't overthink it. Heavy downpour, move fast but stay reactive. It was never really run or walk. It was always about reading the storm. Do you already slow down during gusts, or have you always just committed to one speed? Comment below and send this to the friend who full sprints through every storm no matter what.